nonsense is this, यार? आप क्यों चाइना के साथ खड़े हैं राहुल कंवल?
The map was unfurled 1.2 kilometers away from the
क्या बना
clash
रखा है आपने अपनी हाथ?
site.
Man just
See, you're
doesn't
getting
listen.
carried away with rhetoric.
Are you all right? You need a break. You are losing your sense. I refuse to participate in a debate in which the anchor stands with China.
Chinese
you are
side.
a shameless man
You
standing
are
with China
pushing
today.
the.
You apologize. The Prime Minister is yet to apologize to this country.
What is it exactly that the opposition is so upset about?
It's a series of lies, missteps, inaction by the Prime Minister of India. This started on the 19th of June 2020 with those famous words which haunt every single Indian. ना कोई घुसा है, ना कोई घुसा हुआ है, ना हमारी कोई पोस्ट उनके कब्जे में है. Those words, I'm afraid, will haunt me for every living minute of my life, because that emboldened.
Can we
not
be more
just China.
specific? Because one of the things the Congress
I
is
am
opposed
expanding on
is
it.
the unfurling of the Chinese flag in the
I'm
Galwan
expanding on
Valley.
it, if you allow me
Yeah,
to
please.
complete
Let's
my
focus
sentence,
on that.
and
It's
if you don't interrupt me
1.2
in
kilometers
mid-sentences,
away
please.
from the clash site. Go ahead, Pawan.
Rahul, if you interrupt me mid-sentences, I don't think you'll understand what I'm trying to say.
Go
so
on.
please have some patience. So that emboldened China. They enter into Uttarakhand, destroy our infrastructure, go away. We don't utter the word China as the Prime Minister of India. They build villages close to the border in Arunachal Pradesh. We don't utter the word China. On the contrary, our trade with China this year in 2021, last year, has gone up by 67%. All those apps that were banned, most of them are back. They rename villages. We don't utter a word. They
No, but they're renaming villages on the Chinese side, Pawan.
Official.
Pawan, 1 second. In Arunachal, the list of names that they
Your
put.
problem
Sir,
is,
sir, because you're getting carried
don't
away by
interrupt.
rhetoric. No,
I'm not
Pawan
getting
Khera, I'm
carried away.
trying
You are
to
getting
pin
carried
you
away
down
by
to.
something I don't want to name right now.
Sir,
Because it's the new year. I don't want to attack you on the new year. Please listen
No,
to
sir.
me.
Sir, I'm making a point. I'm making a point.
Please make your point after I finish making my
But they're
point. For God's
renaming
sake.
villages in the way
For
they
God's
perceive
sake.
those villages.
Boss, then you are the second man in India who will be giving a clean chit to China every
I'm not.
second day.
The
After
fact
Prime
that we're
Minister.
doing
Yes,
this
of course you
show
are.
suggests that we're
Why
not.
are you helping China?
I'm not. The fact that we're
You
doing
are.
the show
I'm
suggests
sorry,
that we're asking
I
questions.
accuse you
You're
of
making
helping
political
China.
points.
No, sir, I am sorry.
Mr.
Don't
Khera,
try and help
you're
China.
saying they're
Don't come to the
renaming Indian
Do not
villages.
come to the rescue
If
of
we
China.
want
I
to
don't mind
rename
if you
Tibet
come to
or if
the
we want to
rescue of
rename
Modi.
Beijing, we can call it what we will. How does it
Boss,
matter?
Mr. Rahul Kamal,
Yes.
would you allow me to finish my sentence?
Yes.
If you come to the rescue of the Prime Minister of India, I'll still grant you that.
I'm coming to
But
nobody's
please, for
rescue.
God's sake,
I'm just
for
making the
God's
point
sake,
that you're scoring
for God's
brownie
sake,
points with a
do
political
not-
bias
do not-
without being
do
factual.
Do not come to the rescue of China, for God's sake.
Sir, you're
Have
not being
some
factual.
sense of nationalism, for God's sake, Rahul Kamal. I didn't expect this from you.
Sir, you're not being
You are
factual.
standing with the Chinese today.
Okay,
What's wrong
Pawan
with
Khera,
you?
I think you've spoken
What's
too
wrong
much.
with
I
you?
must tell you this very clearly.
No, you didn't allow me to speak.
Because
You didn't allow me
you're
to
going
finish.
off on a
Who are
tangent.
you to-
You're
who
not
are
being
you to
able to
interrupt
make
me
a
every
point
second
on
minute?
facts.
You
I'm
don't let
making
me
this
finish.
point to you.
You
Pawan
don't
Khera,
let me talk.
you're saying
You
China
keep
is
interrupting.
renaming villages.
It's your
China is
show.
renaming villages on the Chinese side. They can call that village whatever they want.
Renaming areas in Arunachal, which is our territory.
Sir, they
Are you
can
out
call
of
it
your mind?
whatever they want.
Are
It's
you out
our
of your mind?
territory.
Fine, so you go on giving them a clean chit.
I am not giving them a clean sheet. I'm trying
So
to
then-
pin you down on
so
facts.
then if the
If
government
they
of India
unfurl a
reacted to
flag
it,
on the Chinese
Mr.
side
Rahul
in
Kamal,
Galwan,
if the government
how
of India
does anything
reacted to
turn
the
on that?
renaming, you think the government of India was wrong? What nonsense is this, यार? कि उन्होंने रीनेम कर दिया, करने दो, तो गवर्नमेंट ऑफ इंडिया ने क्यों विरोध किया? फिर उनको भी बोलो मत विरोध करो. आप क्यों चाइना के साथ खड़े हैं राहुल कमल?
समझ रहे हो? Sir, I'm making
आपको
a
हो क्या
specific
गया है?
Pawan Khera, I'm making a specific point to which you have no answer, which is why
No,
you're
no,
making
you are
all the
not
broadsides
making
that you are.
any point.
I
In
have,
fact, it's
we
a
have put
pointless
out
interruption by
using
you.
satellite
You are not making any
maps.
point.
The fact
You
that
are
the
not
map was
making
unfurled
any
one.
point.
Pawan Khera, you haven't answered my
आप
question.
के
Pawan,
साथ
you
खड़े
cannot
हैं,
shout.
छोड़िए ना, आप
Pawan, you
बोलने नहीं
cannot
देते
shout.
हैं.
You will answer
किसी
my
को बोलने
question.
नहीं देते
I am
हैं.
asking
I
you a
have to
specific
shout because
question.
you keep
No,
interrupting.
because you're not answering the question. We started by
अरे बस, you are
asking
not
you a
listening to
specific
my answer.
question to which you
आप
haven't
सुनने क्यों?
answered.
आपकी
The
सुनने की
map
हैसियत
was
ही नहीं है, तो आप
unfurled
बोलते रहेंगे, बोलते रहेंगे,
1.2
बोलते रहेंगे।
kilometers away from the
क्या बना
clash
रखा है आपने अपनी
site. If the Chinese army
क्या हाल
unfurls
बना
a
रखा है
China
आपने?
flag on the Chinese side of the Galwan Valley, what is your problem?
Okay,
Why don't you
fine.
answer this question?
Mr. Rahul Kamal, I grant you everything. आप सही हैं, चीन ने आज तक हमारे यहाँ पिछले एक साल में
But that's a political
April
broadside.
2000
That's not a specific answer.
This man just
See, you're
doesn't
getting
listen.
carried away with rhetoric.
Are you all right? You need a break, man. Just
See, you're
doesn't
getting
listen.
carried away with rhetoric.
Are you all right? You need a break.
गजब बेइज्जती है।
You need a
आपको
break,
छुट्टी
Pawan
लेनी
Khera. I
चाहिए
am
2
totally
दिन।
fine.
No, sir, you need a break because you are losing your control. You are losing your sense. आप सुनने को तैयार नहीं
सर,
है।
चाइना अपने देश में
अरे
झंडा
आप
अपना
मत
फहरा रहा है,
बुलाइए,
आपको
अगर
क्या
आपको
प्रॉब्लम हो
इतना
रही
ही
है?
चीन और मोदी जी के साथ
Why
खड़े
are you
रहना है, खड़े
acting
रहिए
like?
चीन के
Why
साथ।
are you acting
हमें
like
क्यों
Chinese
बुलाते हैं?
state media?
आप चीन के एजेंट क्यों
Why are
बने
you
हुए हैं?
acting like
You are
Chinese
an
state
agent
media?
of China the
You
way
are
you
doing
behaving
propaganda
today.
for the
You
PLA.
are
Is the
behaving
Congress
like
on
an
the
agent
is
of
the
China.
Congress on the
You
payrolls of the
are
PLA?
Mr. Rahul
Why are you
Kawal.
doing PLA
You are on the
propaganda?
payrolls of Chinese.
Oh, this
You
is
are on the
bizarre.
payrolls of China.
So you are doing PLA
Bizarre.
propaganda
Bizarre.
in
It's
the
a
manner
foolish
in which you are
debate
drumming
that
up
you
the
are holding
rhetoric on
today.
what's happening. You,
Absolute
sir, are doing
foolhardy.
PLA propaganda.
Absolute foolhardy. I refuse to participate in a debate in which the anchor stands with China.
So
What
you
nonsense
are
is this?
standing with China
आप चीन के
by
एजेंट बन के
pushing
खड़े हो गए।
Chinese
शर्म आनी
propaganda,
चाहिए।
and I think our viewers can
Shameless
see
man.
through this.
You
You
are a
are
shameless
pushing
man.
the Chinese
You are a
side.
shameless man
You
standing
are
with China
pushing the
today.
Chinese
Sorry,
side. You
sir.
are the one who's
Sorry,
doing
sir.
Chinese
You are the
propaganda.
one who's
Pawan
giving
Khera's
lead
Peda
to
goes down.
China.
He's spoken enough. We let that back and forth be on the side, but I will give you a full opportunity to make your point. Welcome back, Pawan. I'm
No,
glad you're back.
thank you for the opportunity, but before I start, I demand on behalf of my party an apology by you, Rahul Kawal, to the Congress party for the words that you uttered that we are on the payrolls of Chinese.
I asked you
I
if you
demand
were.
that first.
No, 1 second.
No, sir.
I
Just a
asked you
sec.
if you
Let
were.
me finish. Again, you are interrupting.
Okay, go on.
Let me at least finish my
Go on.
demand. After that, you decide whether you want me on the show. Unless that apology comes for my party, not for me. I don't care what you say about me. But for my party, I can't hear one word of this nature.
Okay, let me just
Because
say this.
I don't need.
No, 1 second.
We don't
You
need
as
certificates by the BJP
a
or by
politician,
Rahul Kawal or
as
by
a
India
okay,
Today.
Pawan, hear me out. As a politician
Wait,
and as a party. Okay,
wait.
I'm answering because I have very little time left. I must answer because we want to come to the specifics and not get carried away by propaganda. Here's the point I wish to make. First and foremost, the Congress as a party and you as an individual are welcome to say what you want. Whether it is Chinese propaganda, whether it pushes the agenda or not, as a political party, you have the right to say it. And any suggestion that you've received money from the PLA is not fair. And I take that back, and that's not right. So I apologize for that. That's not the intention at all.
अब आए ना लाइन पे।
Secondly, I would like that the Congress and you, because you're much smarter than that, be able to tell the difference between Chinese propaganda and where the Indian
Rahul
government
Kawal.
has now you must hear me out, sir.
Sure.
When we receive missives as MPs from the Chinese government, Indian MPs receive missives and the Indian government says nothing, that is problematic. A Chinese flag unfurled in Chinese territory is Chinese propaganda. There is a difference between what is problematic and what is propaganda, and the opposition and the government need to see through that. Go ahead, Pawan.
Rahul, I thank you for the apology issued by you to my party. This propaganda comes in response to a series of lies and missteps by the Prime Minister. That started on the 19th of June 2020. You apologized. The Prime Minister is yet to apologize to this country where he gave a clean chit to China. The entire world was aghast at the kind of clean chit that was given to China, and this, you call it a propaganda. China uses propaganda as warfare. So I don't think the Congress party should ignore. The Prime Minister is free to ignore. After all, he can't have the courage to name China. We demand from our government, please counter this propaganda. You can't just be dismissive. अरे ये तो propaganda है, अपने घर में अपना झंडा फहरा रहे हैं. अरे साहब, हमारे गांव, हमारे यहाँ अरुणाचल के अंदर आकर नाम बदलना, छोटा एक उनका small time official of the Chinese embassy. Who's he to question our MPs? Both the BJP and the Congress MPs on the Tibet issue, on that meeting on Tibet. Who's he?
कहा किए कूट दिए
Music.
बाप भला ना भैया भैया सबके भला रुपैया बाप भला ना भैया भैया सबके भला रुपैया